Now I am going to explain the third lab cycle program, that is to develop a C program to simulate producer and also the consumer problem using the semaphores. Here we are using the buffer. If the buffer is full, if the buffer is empty, we can produce some data over there. Once the buffer is full, we cannot add the data over there. If the data is present, that data we need to consume over there. So this program, how to implement this is in an we'll see how to implement this is in a C program. Here also we are including only one header file, that is include stdio.h. Here we have taken a buffer size of 10 and also the buffer size, then in, out, producer and also the consumers, and also choice also we have taken here. Based on the choice we need to produce or consume or exit from that program, we will see now. In is also 0, out is also 0, buffer is we have taken with the 10. Only 10 elements, size of 10 elements we can include it in a buffer. Now we will see enter your choice. In this choice, if you want to give 1, it will go to the producer. If the buffer is not full, then only we can add some data to the buffer. If the buffer is full, we are calculating here, then it will show the message buffer is full. If the 10 element already enter into that time it will show that buffer is full. 11th one we cannot be added. Like that, the second option is consume. Consume also we had given here. That is, it comes under a case 2. If the buffer is empty, then we cannot take any item from that because there is no element over there. Once the buffer is having some element, then only we can consume some data. Whatever the data we have consumed, that thing it is going to show here. We'll see the output here. Same thing you have to first program however you are going to create and also the compile and execute. Same procedure we need to follow here. See, first option is produce, second is consume and third is exit. Here when we added a choices to, that time it is showing the buffer is empty. Then we have to enter the choice 1. So here we are entering the value for that 56. The buffer is empty, so we can enter some data over here. We are given 56 here. So same thing we are going to consume, giving the second choices to, then we can consume that value here. So after consuming that value, it is going to vanish here. There is no value, again we cannot take. So if you want to enter some more choice, we can given the 3, it is going to exit from that program.